Hey folks, let's go ahead and install these weather beaters on the Hyundai Elantra. Okay, so we're going to start off on the driver's side up in the front. Now, I've already got the front seat pulled all the way back. You want to make sure you do that first. So the best way to do this is set it in place. Now, hold it up above the carpet and work it underneath the pedals so it doesn't try to grip the carpet immediately. And then push the liner forward as much as you can. I'm going to go ahead and lower this down to line up to the hook fasteners. Line up on both sides and push it forward. And then this portion right here, I'm just gonna kind of fold it under and work it right underneath our levers. Then we can finish pushing it into place. Now, on the passenger side, it's very similar, except we don't have to worry about working around pedals. We don't have these, and we only have one hook fastener in the center. So once you get the passenger side done, let's go ahead and work at the rear. Very important, make sure both the front seats are pulled all the way forward and are upright. It's going to make it a lot more easy for you to put this in place. Now you can drop it in this way where it goes up against the rear. Once in position, we can go ahead and just work it in all the way across. And it's all done. Now we do have some raised areas right here. That is in case you have factory fasteners in the rear, that will just cover those up. All right, it's all done. Now your car is ready for everything life has to throw at it.